Wouldn't you love having the freedom to wear revealing footwear with confidence? To go barefoot at the beach without feeling self-conscious? Or get more hugs and caresses from your loved one because of your smooth, flawless feet? Well, now you can with the amazing PediWhiz, an incredible battery-powered callus remover with over 500 stainless steel precision microfiles that rotate at over 750 revolutions per minute. That's like filing at supersonic speed. The PediWhiz quickly and easily gets rid of ugly, embarrassing calluses. Normal, aggressive filing is tedious and can damage your skin. But the PediWhiz's precision microfiles, combined with its high-speed rotation, gently and quickly removes the calluses in micro-thin layers. And it's specially designed to remove only the top layer of rough skin, leaving the healthy skin below intact and unharmed. Look, it's so safe, it won't even damage this balloon. Incredible! Use it on your toes, the balls of your feet, the sides of your feet, and especially on your heels. With the PediWhiz, you'll effortlessly get your feet and the rest of your body looking and feeling soft, sexy, and beautiful. And you'll discover the pleasure and self-confidence that having truly beautiful skin can give. Now you can wear whatever shoe you want without feeling embarrassed, and even go barefoot with total confidence. You'll love the feeling, and he will too. You'll get the PediWhiz, the stainless steel precision microfile blade, the microdermabrasion mount with 7 skin smoothing pads, and this handy travel bag. So get the PediWhiz. You'll effortlessly get your feet and the rest of your body looking and feeling soft, sexy, and beautiful.